Hello everyone, I'm Emma. Do you like chickens? Most of Koreans love chicken, and I love chicken too. I will explain you about why chicken is more better than pizza. First, chicken is the god. Koreans call chicken the chicken god. So chicken is the best in Korea because chicken have many flavors and it is very crispy. Also, chicken have many proteins, but pizza is not good anything for health. I think chicken is also have more good taste. So chicken is Koreans' favorite food, and we call them chicken god. Second, chicken have many different parts to enjoy. Pizza can choose only flavors, but chickens all have many different parts, and it also has different flavors too. There is legs, wings, and boneless. We can choose our favorite part of chicken. In addition, we can eat with many side menus. For example, we can eat with tteokbokki or choose more. Also, we eat pizza by side menu, and chicken is main menu. In conclusion, I think chicken is better than pizza because chicken is the god and chicken has many different parts to enjoy. When you like my presentation, please push a like button. Thank you for listening.